Hey there, aviation enthusiasts! Talking about the reason behind the loud engines of the F-35 fighter jets. The F-35 is a state-of-the-art aircraft that is known for its advanced technology and impressive capabilities. But have you ever wondered why its engines are so loud? Well, the answer lies in the design of its Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine. This engine was specifically crafted around the conceptual dimensions, weight, and performance requirements of the Joint Strike Fighter program. It is designed to provide the necessary thrust to enable the F-35 to perform a wide range of missions, including vertical takeoff and landing. One of the unique features of the F-35's engine is its thrust vectoring nozzle. This allows the exhaust to be directed downwards, which enables the aircraft to achieve vertical liftoff. This feature is critical for the F-35 to operate in a variety of environments, including small runways and tight spaces. Moreover, the F-35's engine is designed to be reliable and easy to maintain, with fewer parts than similar engines to reduce the risk of parts failures and minimize downtime. However, it has been criticized for its lack of thrust, which limits the aircraft's range and acceleration capabilities. In fact, the F-35 requires more thrust than the F-135 engine can deliver. This has led to calls for a new engine to be developed for the aircraft. While the F-35 is an impressive aircraft, it still has some limitations that need to be addressed.